comes on the quadrilateral, how many shapes we have, how many parts we have, how many sides we have. We studied about that all things. Yes. Now, and we completed exercise also. So many exercise, so many. The two main parts we studied in the quadrilateral. What is the concave? What is the convex? We studied. Yes. Okay. We started with a which chapter? Understanding quadrilateral. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next one. Okay. Today we'll start with the kinds of quadrilateral, which all types we have in the quadrilaterals. Okay. We'll start with that today, children. Okay. Before we start the new thing in the quadrilateral, we start with a what? Prayer. We start with a what, children? Prayer will do. Okay. All of you close your eyes and repeat after me. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकालेषु सर्वदा. Okay. Today we'll do the kinds of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Okay. Based on the nature of the sides, which all sides we have, which all types of sides we have, we divide the quadrilateral. We have a different types of a quadrilateral in that. Okay. We'll see to in that. The first one, the first kind is the trapezium. Okay. The trapezium. Okay. Trapezium. What is the meaning of trapezium then? It is a new word for you now. Yes. Is it a new word? In the trapezium, what we see, children? In the trapezium, we see that it is like the same like a quadrilateral only. The trapezium is the same like a quadrilateral only. We don't have a difference in that. But here we have a parallel sides. What we have, children? Parallel side. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pairs of parallel lines. The sides have to be equal. The sides have to be equal. It have a two pairs of parallel line. For example, the trapezium olaga, its sides have to be, it is like this. The sides have to be equal and they have a parallel lines. Okay, ಒಂದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು line ಇರಬೇಕು. These are called as a what, children? Trapezium. This is a one kind of a parallelogram. This is also a parallelogram only. Quadrilateral only. But here we have a side of parallel lines. The sides of parallel lines. Okay. These are called as a what, children? Trapezium. And some they will show you that this is also a parallel line. It is also looks like a parallelogram only. Here also we have a parallel lines. Here also we can see the quadrilateral. No, here we don't have a what? Parallel lines we don't have. So it is not a trapezium. It is not a what? Trapezium. Okay. Trapezium means what, you understood? The trapezium is also a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. With a pair of parallel sides. Is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. With a pair of what, children? Parallel with a pair of parallel sides. Okay, trapezium means this is the trapezium. Now the second type is the kite. What is the second kind? In the quadrilateral, which is the second type? The next is kite. Kite ellargu gottalla, kite ya shape na irtati? Diamond shape. Yes, kite is like a diamond shape. Okay, it is a one type of a quadrilateral only, but we have a shape like a diamond. We have a shape like a what? Diamond. The kite is a special type of a quadrilateral. It is also a one type of a quadrilateral. The sides with the same markings in each figure are equal. Same marking, like single dot quadra, double dot quadra, it shows that equivalency in the sides. Okay, I will show you here. Diamond, it look like a diamond only now. This is a kite. Okay, here we have a equal sides. Here we have a equal sides. A, B, C and D. Okay, A, B, C and D. Here what we have, AB is equals to AD. Okay, BC is equals to DC. The sides have to be equal. These two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. This is called as a what? Kite. Okay, AB is equals to AD. BC is equals to DC. Okay, this is called as a kite. The sides, the opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides are equal. Some of the which we can see in the kite, that is, a kite has a 4 sides. The kite will be in the 4 sides. We can see the kite with the 4 different sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have a 4 sides. Okay. There are exactly 2 instant consecutive pairs of sides of equal length. Okay. What we have here, we have a 2 consecutive sides that have to be what? Equal. That have to be what? Equal. The 2 consecutive sides have to be equal. These 2 are the consecutive sides, so these are equal. These 2 are consecutive sides, so these are equal. Okay, this we can see it in the which? Kite. These we can see it in the where? Kite. We can see, children. Okay, now we'll move on to the next one, the next kind of quadrilateral, that is parallelogram. What is the next type? Parallelogram. The next kind is parallelogram. Okay, the next kind is parallelogram. Here, parallelogram. What is the meaning of parallelogram then? Parallelogram is same like a quadrilateral. Here also we have a 4 sides or more than 4 sides, hexagon, pentagon, octagon, like that. Here also we have a it is like a quadrilateral only. It is something to do with the parallel lines. Here we have a parallel lines. Okay, the parallel lines we can see. Okay, here the example is this. For the parallelogram, the example is this will be the example for this. So A, B, D, C. Okay, here which all parallelograms we have? Which are the parallel lines we have? AB is equals to DC. Okay, AD is equals to BC. Okay, AB is equals to DC, parallel AB, parallel line AB is equals to parallel line DC, parallel line AD is equals to parallel line. Okay, this is called as a parallelogram. Okay, this is called as a parallelogram. Next we can see one more example in this only. Parallelogram, we can see one more example. That is, here we can see like this. Okay, when we have like this structure A, B, C and D. Okay, A, B, C and D. Here these two lines are not equal. These two lines are not equal. These two lines are equal. AB is equal to the parallel line AB is equals to the parallel line CD. The parallel line AB is equals to the parallel line CD. Okay, like this we can see in the parallelogram. We can the kinds of quadrilateral, which all kinds we studied today, children. The first one is the first quadrilateral is trapezium. The next one is kite. The third one is parallelogram. Okay. Next one, these are the kinds of quadrilateral. These are the different kinds of quadrilateral, children. Now we'll see the next thing in this, That is elements of parallelogram. Elements of parallelogram. Okay. There are 4 sides and 4 angles in the parallelograms. In the parallelograms, we can see the 4 sides. Yes, in the parallelogram, we can see the 4 sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides we can see, and 4 angles we can see. 4 angles we can see. Okay. The sum of these are equal. Some angles are equal, some sides are also equal, but not all the angles are equal. There are some terms associated with these elements that you need to be remember. That is, when we have a like this structure A, B, C and D. This is a parallelogram. Enidu parallelogram. Okay. Here, which are the opposite sides here? These and these are the opposite. AB is opposite to what? DC. Angle AB is opposite to the DC. Okay. And the next one, AD is also opposite to CB. These are opposite. These two are opposite and these two are opposite. Okay. Which are opposite now? AB is equals to DC and DA is equals to CB. These two are opposite lines. Which lines these are? Opposite lines. And here we can see, what we can see? We can see the angles here. Angle A we can see, angle B we can see, angle D, angle C. 4 angles we can see and 2 opposite sides we can see. Okay. After that, which are the adjacent sides? Adjacent sides means AB matta BC. Adjacent sides. Idu matta ibeniva adjacent sides. Next one. Next what we have? Angle A and angle B are the 2 adjacent angles. 2 adjacent angles. Iduka, idu angle, iduka. Okay, these are the elements of parallelogram. Okay, we can see the elements in the parallelogram. Opposite sides, opposite angles we can see, opposite parallel lines we can see, and adjacent sides we can see, adjacent angles we can see. Yes, so many things we can see in the parallelogram children. Okay, understood the concept? Okay, please try to solve some of the examples they given and some of the rules they given. Try to read it and try to follow that rules and follow that properties. And we have so many properties also. That all properties we have to apply in the problem. Okay. The first one, property they mentioned here. See, 59. The opposite sides of a parallelograms are equal length. Opposite sides. These two have to be equal. The property 1. That is what? The opposite sides. The opposite sides of a parallelogram have an equal length. Okay. Next one. Turn the page. Turn the page. One more thing. Angles of parallelogram. Angles of parallelogram, just now I told you, we have angles. The 4 angles we can see here. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. 4 angles we can see with the opposite sides. Okay. And one more property they mentioned. What is that? The opposite angles of parallelograms are equal measures. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angles and idu matta idu have to be what? Equal measures. It have a what? Equal measures. Okay. Understood? What we studied today? We studied about the angles of parallelogram. We studied about the elements of parallelograms. Different kinds of quadrilateral we studied today. Okay. Today's homework is you have to write the different kinds of parallelogram I told you now. On that you have to give the some of the diagrams and some of the example. Each one kind you have to write one example and one picture on that. Okay. Understood? What is the homework? Today's homework is you have to write and you have to give one picture example on the kinds of quadrilateral. Kinds of quadrilateral. How many kinds we have? 3 kinds we have. On that you have to give an example with a picture. Okay, understood? Will you do it, children? Okay, complete this one. We'll do the next part in the next class. Okay, see you children. Bye.